Right there, this is just to show you how to perform a DPF regen on a BMW E series. This one is an E92, which is a BMW coupe. It's got the BMW M57 3-litre diesel engine in. It's a 330D and it's a 2008 model. What we're going to do is perform a regen using B-Tool Expert. So I'll show you how I've connected it up. So I'm using a lead instead of a dongle, as you can see there, and the switch is all the way to the left. So what I'll do is I'll plug that in. Make sure you've got the cover removed where you're plugging it in into the OBD port. You can see the lights come on, so it's making a connection, and I've got it plugged into a tablet. I've got an OTG cable that's here that converts it to a micro USB, and I'll put the tablet on. As you can see, it's on. As you can see, the message is there saying particulate filter. So we'll go to BT tool. What we first need to do is go establish connection. Go into settings. First of all, just put the card details in and press OK. And then go back and go to connection details. I'm using USB. It's an OBD K+D Can Cable, and it's a D-Can. So I'll press connect. So that's showing you there. It's establishing it. Green light means it's connected. So I can go to trouble codes, injectors, battery, service functions. But before I perform a regen, I would check the trouble codes. I'd read them, then I'd clear them. So there's nothing stopping us performing the regen. Then I'd go back and I go to DPF. As you can see, it says Soot level 100%, coolant temperature 74, exhaust temperature 118, mass is 53.6 mass. Soot mass itself is 60, which is far over the point. So we need to request a regen. So if I touch this, it says, do you want to request regeneration? And as I've done before, clear the ECU trouble codes. Okay.